Hey everyone, welcome back to Circuit Schools. Today, I'm going to show you how to install the Arduino IDE software. First, open your web browser and search in Google. Download Arduino IDE. Click on First Link. Here you'll see download links for different operating systems. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Click on the download link to start the process. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to Circuit Schools for more interesting projects. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions. For Windows users, you might see a security prompt. Just click Yes to proceed. On the installation wizard, click I agree to accept the license agreement. Choose the installation options and click Next. Select the installation folder or leave it as default, then click Install. The installation process might take a few minutes. Once it's done, click Close to finish. Now that the Arduino IDE is installed, let's launch it. You can find the shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Open the Arduino IDE. When you first open the Arduino IDE, you'll see the main interface with a blank sketch. This is where you'll write your code for your Arduino projects. Under Tools option, you can find various options like Boards Manager, which can configure the microcontroller boards we want use. Under the same Tools option, you can also find Library Manager, which can install various libraries from Arduino database. There is an option called Port to select the COM port that your Arduino board is connected to. After installing the libraries, you can find the example codes in the File menu under Examples option. When you click on them, the example code will be loaded into the workspace. Here you can see the Blink example code is loaded. Now, let's learn to upload it to Arduino Uno. Connect Arduino Uno to PC. We can verify the code for any errors through the tick button. Here it takes some time. As we see no errors, we can upload the code to the Arduino Uno. After the code was successfully uploaded, we can see the built-in LED blinking. And that's it! You're now ready to start creating amazing projects with your Arduino. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Circuit Schools, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!